Toyota's pre-collision system and vehicle stability control can be temporarily disabled simultaneously using specific button combinations. These safety systems are designed to automatically re-enable when you restart your vehicle. For most 2022 and newer Toyota models, you can disable both systems by holding the PCS and VSC buttons simultaneously for 3 or more seconds. Look for these buttons on your dashboard, typically located in the center console area. If the simultaneous method doesn't work, try the sequential approach. First, press and hold the VSC button for 3 seconds. Then immediately press and hold the PCS button within 5 seconds of releasing the VSC button. Certain Toyota models like the Tacoma and 4Runner may require special sequences involving the brake pedal along with the button combinations. Consult your owner's manual for model-specific procedures if the standard methods don't work. When successfully disabled, your instrument cluster will display clear visual indicators. You'll see PCS off message and illuminated VSC off and track off warning lights on your dashboard. Remember, these systems automatically re-enable every time you restart your vehicle. This is intentional for safety reasons. If you need to disable them again, you'll need to repeat the button sequence after each restart. Toyota has built its reputation on prioritizing active safety systems. Understanding when and how to disable these systems requires careful consideration of safety, legal, and practical factors. These safety systems should only be disabled when absolutely necessary, such as during specific off-road scenarios like rock crawling or technical terrain navigation. The key is to re-enable them immediately after the specific need concludes. Disabling safety systems can have serious legal and insurance implications. In the event of an accident, insurance companies may scrutinize whether disabled safety systems contributed to the incident, potentially affecting coverage and claims. The automotive landscape is rapidly evolving. Newer Toyota models from 2023 to 2025 show much deeper integration of safety systems, making them increasingly difficult to override. Some 2024 and newer models may require specialized dealer tools for extended disabling. Regulatory trends from agencies like NHTSA and IIHS increasingly favor non-defeatable safety systems. Toyota's safety philosophy suggests that manual override capabilities may be further restricted or eliminated entirely in future models. However, Toyota recognizes legitimate off-road needs. Many off-road variants now feature trail mode, which modifies rather than completely disables safety systems. This provides a compromise between safety and off-road capability, maintaining core protections while reducing unnecessary interventions. As Toyota continues to evolve these systems, drivers should expect increased difficulty in overriding safety features, more context-aware operation, and potentially the complete elimination of manual disable options in future model years. The focus remains on protecting occupants while adapting to legitimate use cases.